I want to present a new definition of what it means to be an OG. And I'm showing this hallway in my house that I've been renovating. Because in life, it's like a hallway. There's doors. And if you don't know what door or what's behind door number 1, door number 2, door number 3, then you will make a random choice off of luck. And you can't live your life off of luck, family. That's how we end up dying before our time, getting imprisonment, getting on drugs, getting caught up in situations because we think we slick. Ain't no such thing. See, the real definition or the real motive behind of what an OG stand for, he been through it already. The goal of the OG is to keep you from entering the wrong door. If the OG can't keep you from entering the wrong door, what is he doing? What's the purpose? And I wanted to say that because I wanted to give it a new definition. I wanted to call it organic guidance. Are you giving some of that? Are you giving somebody some organic guidance? And I wanted to say that because it irritates me. It irritates me to hear someone say they're OG and you see the little homies doing something backwards. The goal is to give them some guidance. Show them what door number 1 has for them once they open it. Show them what door number 2 has for them once they open it. Show them what door number 3 has for them when they open it. Because you realize they are a reflection of you. A reflection of you. So if you looking in the mirror and you got the little homies doing something, it's a reflection of you, homie. That's why our goal is to be guiders. And we need to give it organically. So if you're not giving it from here, just be quiet, man. Just sit down, bro. We losing too many of our people right now. We getting too many of us caught up in situations that it could have been avoided if they had some good information. Now I understand we can't save them all. I understand everybody don't want to listen and some won't listen until they get in a situation. I understand that. But it still don't give you no right to guide them in a wrong direction. It gives you no right. So I just want to say this. The new definition of what OG really stands for is giving someone some organic guidance. Organic, man. Just from the heart. You don't want to see them go down the same path you've been because why? You've been there. You know what's behind the doors. Don't nobody have to tell you. You already know. So I feel like it's your purpose. It's your dying duty to make sure if you alive and able and if they're willing to listen, however you're willing to give it, you don't judge the outcome. It ain't your purpose what they do with the information. It's your purpose to give them the information. And like the old scripture said, if you teach them right, they'll come back. They'll come back. But if you don't give them nothing good, what they coming back to, family? So we got to give them some organic guidance. Hold on.